Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to hide or show desktop icon on window level laptop. So let's see. So just like what you see right here, these icons here are fully displayed right here. Let's see how we can simply hide it. So for you to do that, come to the window environment, right click on it, and this is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to view. Then next thing you need to do is to go to show desktop icons. Click on that, and the icon is going to be hide. Next thing you want to do to bring back the icons, that is to show the icon. So next thing you need to do is to right click on the window environment again, and then go to view from the top right here, go to view, and then go back to show desktop icon. And with that, the icons will be back without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember, click on that subscribe for more tips and tricks about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.